Friends, so I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna cover concatenate function in Excel. So for example, if I have a case that there is one column of first name, okay, then there is another column of last name, okay, and here I'm gonna write some name from okay. So this is the column. What I want a full name, means it should display as Ram Sharma and Sham Saxena. So you can say that okay, I can write here, but no, if it is a huge column and if there are so many rows of that same, so how gonna you write it? So what you have to use is, I can give you some cases. Okay, so if we use you can say that okay, add both the columns and then you will get full name. Okay, but this is not the correct solution, because if I will add both the column like plus this, it will display an error. See, because this is not correct. This formula plus is only used for numbers, so but this is a string. So what can we use? Excel has a solution in this. You can use a concatenate function. So if I select concatenate, yeah, so you can see in the description also, join several text strings into one text string. What this is a requirement. So I will select this function and I will say that okay, I will select one Ram and I will select this Sham and I will say see Ram Sharma. Okay, but this is also not coming correct because I need a space in between Ram and Sham. So what else? Maybe I can add a space also in between. So if I need to add a space, I will concatenate space also in between. So for using space, you need to give it in double quotes, space, double quotes, comma. So what it's, yeah, so it has displayed space. Okay, that's it.